Hey fam, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay. So in today's video, I'm going to try now makeup that are new to me, that I haven't tried before. So this is a full face of first impression, and I've got them in my basket right here. Okay. So if you're to join the FamBam, make sure to join the FamBam by subscribing down below, turn on notifications, so that way you don't miss out any single video from me. Okay. And without further ado, let's just straight into this video after the intro. Yeah.
So blessed, pray for me, Madura for me. Pray I find my way.
Alright, so the video is quite bright today. That's because I've got my blinds up. So if you see a little bit of changes in the color temperature or whatever, just know that it's the sun going up and down, doing its thing that God told it to do, okay? I noticed in my last video I still sounded a little bit nasally. That's because this hay fever is not leaving me. The only thing that one attached to me more than the hay fever right now is literally like Idris Elba is taking, Michael B. Jordan, like, so it hasn't left me. It's been like about 7 weeks now. So as I said, I've got the makeup here. I actually collate this product a while ago, and I've been meaning to film with these products, but I've been lazy. But lazy we are no more. As you can see, I've already done my brows, so I don't have any brow product in here. I actually did. I had a brow product in here that I needed to try. It's the Bobbi Brown Perfectly Defined Long Wear Brow Pencil. So it's got two ends, the brush end and the eyebrow end. I have swatched this a few times. I'm about to sneeze. This is why I've been wearing this mask that I made, because any little disturbance in the atmosphere goes straight in my nose and I just start sneezing. Oh my god. So anyway, this is what the brow products look like. I have been swatching it and I did notice like it doesn't really, like, where did you go? Where did you go? I don't think this is gonna be for me anyway, so I'm just gonna put this in the not for me product pile. All right, next product is this one. I've been wanting to try it, and thank god I went to my auntie and she didn't really want it, and she was like, take it. And I think she's only used it once or twice. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Now I do know that they came out with an hydrating version. This is a soft matte version, so it comes with a pump, as you can see. What kind of color is this? Oh, it's a bit beigey in color. Beigey. Oh, you can't really see the color. Okay. It smells like the Too Faced Hangover RX face primer. Does it have coconut in it? I don't know if it's got coconut in it, but it smells like it, like this one right here. By the way, I have a lot of products laid out in front of me. They're the products that I have used up this year so far, and I plan on doing a video on it. If you're interested in that, it's gonna go up very soon. Hopefully I film it after this video. Feels like a normal primer or whatever, you know. It says soft matte, so I'm interested to see if it is going to softly mattify my face. As babes know, I've got oily combination skin. I will put an update in the description box down below to let you know how the primer lasts on my oily combination skin. I'm gonna try with a foundation I'm gonna try today, and then also without the foundation that I'm already used to. Okay, that kind of made my face look a bit more healthier, more awake, and I can feel it drying down a little bit as I rub it in. It has a tiny little bit of a tacky feeling to it. I'm trying to think, do I want to go into eyeshadow or do I want to go into face? Let's do the base, because you know it's all about the bass, no treble. I have got, is it treble or trouble? I don't know. So I've got the Lancome Teint Vissionaire Duo de Teint Perfecto de Pew Skin Perfecting Makeup Duo foundation. This is what it looks like. Do I see white specks? My auntie also gave this to me. She's had it for a while, but it's still good. Actually, no, this was brand new when she gave it to me, and I've been swatching it, as you can see, and it's broken a little. Okay, so that's the foundation part of it, which has a pump, and then the top here, I'm guessing, is the concealer compartment. This is in the shade 10. It's got a whole leaflet, you know, info thing. Reconcile perfect coverage and natural looking result without compromising. High coverage precision corrector. Okay, so this is a precision corrector. Instantly reduce the appearance of various types of imperfection, so redness, dark spots, dark circles, and it's enriched in vitamin C, G, recognized for its anti-dark spot effectiveness. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to color correct, okay, the top part. So I'm just gonna use it to conceal. This mirror is making me feel dizzy because it's tiny and too close to my eyeball. It's thick. Wow, I'm gonna apply it a little bit. Look at that. Ooh, my arm hurts. You know what? That's as much spot correcting that I can do right now, because I am hurting. It does have a nice coverage to it, as you can see. I like it. Medium to full coverage. You can continue to build it up if you've got the arm strength for it. All right, so I'm just gonna grab a foundation brush and apply the foundation. Ooh, that is runny. Look at it. You ready? We ready? Oh, that feels weird in the back of my hand. All right, so I'm finding out that this foundation is not as good with a brush, so I'm just switching to a sponge. It feels really, ooh, that looks good. Ooh, shade. Hello, shade. Hello, shade. Hello. That feels good and it looks good. It has a little bit of a radiant finish to it. I would say this is more of a light to medium coverage. Okay, so this is foundation applied. It looks nice. It looks beautiful. I love it. It's definitely more of a light to medium coverage, and I do see its potential in oxidizing a little bit darker. I want to kind of see what's going to happen when I kind of just use the corrector section to kind of conceal the darker spots, especially after applying foundation. Okay, didn't do anything. I didn't pick up any product, or it just didn't do anything, and I'm not gonna try it again. So next product, concealer, of course. So I've got the Tarte Creaseless concealer. It's in the shade Deep Sand. This is not a new product. Oh, that foundation, it's kind of oxidized a bit darker. I don't know if you can see it. This wand is not my cup of tea. That foundation, I noticed that it kind of cling to my fine lines under my eye. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I don't think I'm liking that foundation right now. It's stinging a little bit under my eye. I don't know why. It has an interesting smell, not a scent. Yep, this is a creamy radiant concealer. So they should have called it Tarte Creamy Radiant. I'm not gonna leave this for too long. I don't like to leave creamy concealer for too long under my eye, because creamy concealer does have a bit of a they have more tendency to crease even faster and worse under my eyes, especially with my fine lines and whatnot. Wow, I'm gonna look very luminous today. Okay. She's looking wet, but I'm not mad at it. I am mad about the fact that it is literally like in my line right here, like it's just not working. Let me come closer. Do you see that? Do you see it in there? And I blend it out and it just, oh, ooh. Appearance wise, like from afar, it looks all right. I look very, very radiant and whatnot, but when you come closer, you're gonna see like, oh my gosh. I've got the Estee Lauder Perfecting Loose powder in the shade medium. The powder itself is very fine. Do you see that? Oh, quite dusty. And when I pick it up, like it doesn't really want to pick up a lot, but it's seeping into the sponge. Like, watch. It's in there, inside the sponge. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's try this. See, it's quite dusty. It even smells dusty. Oh my God, it's so smooth. Oh my gosh, it is so smooth. Do you see this? It's like I'm applying a filter. Oh my gosh, that is so smooth looking. It looks so airbrush. That's the word. I'm putting this all over my face, honey. I am putting this all over my face because I can take as I'm putting it all over my face, you know. Do you see this? Do you look at this? Okay. All right, so I went ahead and I added a little bit of my black opal deluxe finishing powder in the shade medium under my eye, and then my T-zone a bit just in the areas where I usually apply concealer to highlight, because I needed a little bit more of a yellow tint on my face. And I went ahead and I warmed up my face using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. All right, I think I'm looking all right, and I still look smooth. Honestly, babes, this powder saved this makeup, because the foundation was looking a bit problematic. The concealer was also looking problematic on top of the foundation as well, okay, but the powder saved the day. Apparently someone said, I know who said, Bobbi Brown. Apparently Bobbi Brown said, you don't have to contour your nose, mind your business. I mean, I'm not contouring, I'm bronzing my nose, but I need to, okay? All right, so what's next? Let's go into our basket of goodies. I want to do eyeshadow. All right, so we've got this eyeshadow palette. This came out a while ago, okay? This is the Cavier and Rubies eyeshadow palettes. The name alone sounds expensive. The palette feels expensive, and it is expensive. I do remember correctly. I don't remember the exact cost, but I will put the prices and whatnot down below if I even put them on the screen so far, okay? So this is the eyeshadow palette. That's just so pretty. The tones in here are not necessarily my thing. Mainly the middle row right here, not really, and this one right here, not really. Actually, I think this can be my thing because it's shimmery, you know, and this one, but this shade and this shade, this shade, they just look like they're just gonna be just ew, you know. This one is very, very gray, like, and with a green, it's gray green. Lunar, explain it. Can you see it? Let me show you. Hopefully the camera. Do you see what I'm saying? Looks like cement and hair. That's what it looks like. Wow, that is a blue. Black. They do have names, but they're in the back, so we're just gonna move on. And this is the brown. Wow. Just to be crazy, I want to see what this one looks like. Wheat. It's literally called wheat. Oh, I think this brush has product on it, so let me finally open another brush. Remember when I got these brushes, you know, the Morphe Faves eye brushes? I still have 6 brushes that I haven't opened yet. So Esther, just live your life, okay? Live la vida loca. Let's open this one. E27. The collection came with 2 E27s. So I've got this one right here. I love this brush. And I've got this one. I think I'm going to pick up extra. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. I'm just applying this in my crease just to kind of... Okay. So I've got a little bit of ashy gray in the crease, but it's not looking terrible. So don't focus on this, okay? The makeup linked to my hairspray. Because I'm crazy, I also want to see what this looks like. The cool gray. Just because I'm crazy. Oh, okay. I guess we're doing a cool eyeshadow today, so we gotta be careful so I don't... This is instantly lifting my eye. I mean, I'm lifting, never mind. This is one of those shades where you have to be like careful. I'm still using the same brush. I'm gonna pick the black. I'm crazy, yo. I'm crazy. I'm just literally kissing it a little. Hey, just hey. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right here in the outer corner, right here. All right, so I've got a flat brush, Shop Miss A AOS Studio E131 brush. I'm gonna pick, oh god, the blue shadow. Do I want to cut my crease first? I don't know. Let's see how pigmented. I'm just gonna use this to cut my crease, the shade itself. I'm gonna keep tapping it, making sure it doesn't drop on the carpet, because if it does, I'm screwed. Oh, fall out. Oh god. Oh no. You know what? Oh, that's why you shouldn't panic. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. Don't panic. Okay. Woohoo! This is the Morphe E36 brush. Pick that black shade and just pack it on my outer corner. Just top that part. I'm really trying not to use this shade, but I will use it because I want a little bit more warmth in there. Just a little. I'm gonna pick that up with the tip and just blend the edge with this. I'm being really careful. I'm gonna grab a brush that doesn't have anything in it and just brush the edge so it's softer. All right, so I've been here for a little bit. Just trying to get used to this. Oh my god. I did end up going in with the shimmery shade in the middle, which is called Gilded. Just topping that on top of the blue shadow because I don't know, I just wanted a little bit, I really don't know, I just wanted to see, and I don't really like the shade. It's a bit crumbly or whatever, so it needs to be sprayed. Let's just move on. So I got these lashes, you know those big 3D or whatever lashes people have been wearing lately, the big long ones? Yes, that's what I've got here. This is called the 25mm lashes, and wow, they're very light. It's very light and fluffy, as you can see. Oh god, Jesus. Wow, that is a lot. Whoa, that is a lot. I actually don't need to trim it. I can't get used to it. Like, it's not heavy or anything, but it just feels like oh, it's still drying, but I'm not gonna, and I don't even know what to say. It's light as a feather. It also looks like I'm wearing a feather, okay? But I feel like it's not looking as huge on camera as it looks in person. Oh, no, I definitely cannot wear it with glasses. All right, so moving on. I've got a blush here. This is a MAC Film Noir blush. I've always heard of this blush. Oh, I keep seeing some dark mark under my eye, and I just realized it's a reflection from the lashes. Oh my gosh, and I kept topping up. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and use this blush. It's quite deep. It kind of looks like the shade of the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm using a different brush. This is the F22 brush by Shop Miss A. Wow, that is beautiful. I love that. So for highlighter, another product I was really excited to find in my auntie's collection. I haven't used this. My auntie only used it a couple of times, as you can see. It's still basically almost kind of brand new. But this is the MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and I've swatched it a couple of times, and girl, like, it is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my face. I've been stopping myself from doing so. So here we are. Here we go. Oh, that's a lot. Ooh, hello. I love that. I love that. All right, so for lips, I have two products and I'm so excited. This and this. Oh, I have an eyeliner in here. This is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Right, I was gonna use this in my waterline. Let me use this in my waterline real quick, okay? Just real quick. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. What exactly is it called? Marc Jacobs Highlighter, like Highligner, one word. Highlighner Gel Eye Crayon. Right, okay. This is in the shade Blaquer. Blaquer. Alright, so for lips, I'm gonna line my lips using this NARS Jungle Red Lip Liner. Okay, I have the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Crush. I've always wanted to try and Huda Beauty lipstick. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, smells really good. Oh, it's liquid. Liquid. Yeah, it is liquid matte. This definitely does not go with his eyes. It definitely does not. It's a little bit blotchy though. Okay, so we just have it for color. It's a little bit blotchy. And next we've got the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Lust Gloss collection, okay? I've had this. I bought this a while ago and I've been wanting to try it. I like the packaging. Like the packaging is so cute. Look at this. Wow. So this is in the shade Flesh 4. Yeah, let's cover that bright pink whatever lipstick. Quite pigmented. I didn't think it was gonna be that pigmented. And next one here is called Flesh Fantasy, and it looks like the Huda Beauty lipstick. This would have been really good on top of the Huda Beauty lipstick. I finally have something from Pat McGrath, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is very shiny. This is called Bronze Temptation. Oh wow. So that's Flesh 4, Flesh Fantasy, and Bronze Temptation. Oh. Alright, so that's it. And then I might change the lip out. I'll be right back. I feel so extra right now, like I'm not kidding. So as you can see, I swapped the lipstick out for a more cool tone type of color. So I've got the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Havana on the outside, and I've got the same Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Bangkok on the inside a little bit. Alright, so let me give you a little bit of a rundown on the products I tried today. Starting with my least favorite product is the Lancome Teint Vissionaire Duo de Teint Perfecto de Pure whatever foundation. This one right here. I don't like the foundation part of it, and I don't like the corrector part of it. I don't know. The foundation itself, I mean, you guys, you saw it in this throughout this video anyway. Let's not make this video longer than it should be, okay? Just by explaining. And the Tarte Creaseless whatever concealer, I don't like it either. But even though I don't like this product, it doesn't mean I will stop using it. You babes already know, like if I already have a product, even if I didn't buy it, I will still try and make use of it. Now, if I didn't open it, for instance, and I have another one that I already tried, that's another situation. Then I can actually give that away, like put it in my giveaway drawer. In this case, I might end up giving it to a friend that doesn't mind the finish of this kind of foundation. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. And the concealer, I don't like it. It kind of creased a little bit on me, and I don't kind of like the creamy texture of it. The Fenty Beauty Primer, I liked it. I liked the way it felt on my face. I can't say much about its longevity. I will try it again with another foundation, and I'll update you babes in the description box of this video. So come back in about a week's time, and it should be there. The eyeliner, I do like the highlighter. Okay, I don't have to say much about that. This powder is my absolute favorite powder. Like my face still feels smooth and it looks smooth, so this is not going anywhere. The lip glosses, I like the way they feel on the lips, even though I didn't really keep it on my lips, but I like it. I can't wait to continue to use the Marc Jacobs eyeliner that I tried. It's got a Highligher gel liner. I like that as well, although I think because it's been in the packaging for so long, it needed a little bit of warm up on the back of my hand, and after that it applied really nicely. The Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, I'm not really sure about this yet. I'll give it a try again and let you babes know. The NARS lip liner, I love this. Very smooth, easy to apply.
How can we forget about the lashes? It's so huge, but it's growing on me. I'm telling you, it's growing on me. I still don't know if I would wear it out, because that's the first thing people are gonna see. Wow, I'm already sweating, but the powder is still there, nice. Because that's the first thing people are gonna see, and they're just gonna keep focusing on my eyes, and I'm a little bit self-conscious of people just staring at me. So I do like the eyeshadow palettes. The tones in here are not necessarily my cup of tea, but they do kind of help to kind of get me out of my comfort zone a little bit, so I didn't mind that. It blended out really nicely, and the gray shades really surprised me. Okay, the blue, as you can see, oxidized a ton. It went from that bright deep sapphire blue to a more of a deeper sapphire blue. That makes, why did I have to deepen my voice? So that makes a lot of sense, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this look and what you think about the products I tried to see this video. Also, let me know, most importantly, let me know what you think about these lashes. Okay, thanks for watching, as I said, and as always, whatever you do to love yourself, my God's grace, I pray I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.